Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a new orchid care tip, a natural fertilizer that not only helps revive wilted orchids but also encourages strong root growth and keeps them blooming beautifully all year round. This orchid has completely dried out and wilted, so the first thing we'll do is soak it gently in clean water. This helps rehydrate the roots and gives the plant a chance to absorb moisture slowly. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of sugar in this mixture. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Sugar in low doses can actually help support beneficial microorganisms around the roots. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. This type of yeast, often used in baking, can actually be very beneficial for plants when used properly. Soak it for 20 minutes. After soaking the orchid for 1 hour, the next step, soaking it in a sugar water solution. This helps provide a quick source of energy and stimulates new root and leaf development. After soaking the plant for 20 minutes, we'll take it out and let it dry naturally. Now we're going to combine the sugar water with yeast. This mixture creates a gentle, natural source of beneficial microbes and nutrients. Now we're going to soak the orchid in a mixture of yeast and sugar water. After 20 minutes, we'll take the orchid out of the solution and let it dry naturally. Next, we'll pot the orchid using pine bark. Pine bark provides excellent drainage and airflow around the roots, which is essential for healthy orchid growth. We'll add a thin layer of moss on top. This helps retain just enough moisture without making the roots soggy, creating a balanced, humid environment that orchids love. We'll cover the roots with a layer of moss to keep them fresh and moist. This helps maintain the right humidity around the root zone, supporting healthy growth and preventing the roots from drying out too quickly. We'll add a final top layer of moss. This top layer helps retain moisture, protects the roots from direct sunlight, and keeps the overall environment around the orchid stable and humid. We'll water the plant with the prepared solution to help it adapt smoothly to its new growing environment. This step provides essential nutrients right from the start, boosting the orchid's recovery and encouraging healthy root and leaf development. Don't forget to mist the plant lightly too. This helps maintain humidity around the leaves and roots, giving the orchid a gentle boost as it settles into its new home. Let's take care of another orchid in the garden. First, we need to trim away any rotten or dried roots. Removing these weak parts helps the plant focus its energy on growing healthy new roots, preventing rot from spreading and improving overall plant recovery. Now we're going to put the solution made of yeast and sugar water into a misting bottle. A fine mist not only keeps the leaves and roots hydrated, but also helps the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. Doing this once a week is enough to keep things balanced and healthy. Next, we're going to soak the orchid thoroughly in the solution made from yeast and sugar water. This step allows the roots to fully absorb all the nutrients and beneficial compounds from the mix. Yeast contains amino acids and enzymes that stimulate root growth, while sugar provides quick energy to both the plant and beneficial microbes around the root zone. You can do this soak about 3 times every 2 weeks, but be sure to only let the roots sit in the solution for 20 minutes. It's been 5 weeks, and the roots are showing great signs of recovery. We're seeing firm, plump, silvery green roots, which means they're actively taking in moisture and nutrients. There are also new root tips pushing out. These look slightly green or reddish at the tip, and that's a clear sign of healthy, ongoing growth. The leaves still feel a bit wrinkled to the touch, which is normal at this stage. With consistent care, they should become firmer and plump over time. Just needs a bit more patience. Let's remake the fertilizer using yeast and sugar. Let's water the orchid thoroughly with the mixture just once a week. This weekly deep watering gives the roots enough time to absorb nutrients without becoming waterlogged. It also keeps the soil environment balanced, preventing rot while supporting healthy growth and recovery. After 2 months, the roots show significant improvement. They appear thicker, greener, and firmer, signs of healthy nutrient absorption and stable hydration. New root tips have started to emerge, which means the plant is actively growing and adapting well to its environment. The previously dry or shriveled roots are now replaced by strong, vibrant ones, indicating the fertilizer and care routine is working effectively. With roots like this, the orchid can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, setting the stage for strong leaves and long-lasting blooms in the near future. And that's it for today's orchid care update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.